In this video, we will cover the installation and maintenance guide for the project LMS app on Facebook. Development environment uses Windows 10, Mac OS could be used as well. Visual Studio Code, MySQL Workbench, please note that version 6.3 must be used to support older queries. Node.js and NPM, which comes with Node.js as default, as well as Angular client, which you can install on the command line using the provided instructions. And also you need to generate SSL keys and certificates and replace them in SSL folders in both of the repositories for both backend and frontend. For access to the project source code, a zip file containing the source code will be provided. Extract the project folder into the development environment. In both backend and frontend root folders, run npm install either on terminal or git bash on Windows. In order to get access to Heroku, create two GitHub repositories for frontend and backend. Then create two new applications with Heroku. In the backend application, install the ClearDB MySQL add-on. In both apps, create a web dyno with command npm start. Update the source code files in the frontend with the updated API URLs with your frontend and backend Heroku app URLs, respectively. For database access, install MySQL Workbench version 6.3, then connect to your ClearDB database made in step 4. Follow the instruction provided in the links. Import the dump SQL file and run all of its queries if have not done yet. In order to set up Facebook app access, set up a Facebook app at developers.facebook.com. In settings, then basic, your app domain should include your frontend URL for your Heroku application as well as the backend URL for the Heroku application, and also localhost in order to test the development environment. At the bottom of the settings, click Add Platform, then on the Page tab, enter your Heroku frontend URL in the Secure Page tab URL. Note that your Facebook does not need to add the Facebook login product. Login functionality is done through npm packages on the client-side application. Then copy the app ID and replace the old one in app component file in the frontend repository. In order to run the project, for the frontend, before running either for development or production, the HTTP listener must be configured correctly. See the comments at the bottom of server.js file and just comment out the listener you're not using. For development environment, simply run the application using ngserve command. And for production, the application will run on Heroku. For the backend, in development mode, run it using npm run dev command. For production environment, it will be running on Heroku using the web dynos we made previously.